We wanted to share today why it's so meaningful for us to celebrate our wedding here on Martha's Vineyard. I've been coming to the island every summer since I was 3 months old, and it's always been my favorite place, filled with family traditions and so many special memories. When I first brought Izra here, I was worried about whether he'd love it as much as I do. I just told him on every single drive to appreciate the view from both sides and pointed out every single cow, flower, and stone wall we passed along the way. It meant so much to me to see Izzy fall in love with this place and know every corner of the island as well as I do. He proposed on the beach in Menemsha, and we're so excited to make new memories with all of you here this weekend.
Just about 32 years ago, you were born, and Grammy Claire told me my life would never be the same. Dad and I have watched with awe as you have grown from that tiny bundle into a smart, caring adult and beautiful bride today. You are a fiercely loyal daughter, sister, and friend who is always there for your people and now a wonderful partner to your Izzy.
I look so good. Oh God, I'm gonna cry. Sorry. I'm gonna cry all my makeup. The day is so nice.
I know, it's like perfect. You see the best in others, even when they don't see it in themselves. And while you always say how lucky you feel for having met me, I must admit, I'm the lucky one. I promise to always be Nurse Izzy, whether you're sick in Marrakesh or Midtown Manhattan. I promise to always partner with you when we're going through a hard time and focus on fighting the problem rather than one another. I promise to always add songs to your Spotify playlist. I promise to always join you for your flower audits. I can't wait to marry you, and I'm so excited to spend our lives together. I love us, and I love you.
I feel so lucky. Ya tak shastlива. I never believed I would feel as sure about someone as I feel about you. Ya vitibia uvirena. My brain is constantly overanalyzing, thinking through hypotheticals, making pro-con lists. And somehow, when it comes to you, I never had to. 10 minutes after our first date, you asked me on our second. 3 weeks in, you announced you weren't dating other people, and I was free to proceed as I chose. Bold move. 4 weeks in, you made me my For Britney playlist. Another bold move. You still add songs to my playlist when I have a tough day or a good day, or you're just thinking of me. I've been listening to that playlist on repeat for 3.5 years. I literally don't know any other songs. You motivate me to want to live out my values and not make any excuses. You've expanded my world, and I learn something new from you every single day. You are my partner in every sense of the word. I vow to love you forever.
And you two have a passion for each other that few couples have. You love your family, you love your islands, Manhattan, Martha's Vineyard. You embrace and love those things that truly matter. A good friend, a good laugh, and of course, a good love. And so blessed are we get a chance to use these Kiddush cups, Grandma Claire's Kiddush cups, to sanctify this relationship, to sanctify this marriage.
Does anyone know what Brit wore to her first date with Izra? You guessed it, a blazer and a backpack. As the story goes, Brit was meeting Izra for an after-work drink, so she had to pick an outfit that could double as work and first date. As Shaw girls do, Brit picked her outfit the night before. Izra, my guess is blazers aren't really your thing, given they don't fit into Brooklyn backyard casual. But clearly you saw beyond the blazer. So welcome to the family, Izra. You're stuck with us. And cheers to blazers, Netflix and chill, Excel spreadsheets, and an incredible future.
Brittany, it blows me away that you are getting married. As a father, you are never really prepared for this marriage thing until the time comes. You are, well, I'll say it because it's so obvious, truly amazing to me, and you don't have to worry. You will always be my BLS.
When we first met Brittany, we knew that she would fit right into our family.
Yeah, because she's just as short and sweet as we are.
He's got such a big heart. He's just one of the most compassionate, caring people that both Alex and I know. He's been through the good times and the bad, and you always know the right thing to say at the right moment, whether it's a joke or just like a word of encouragement, and that's been so precious for me.
I very quickly realized that our Brittle Bits was very special. An amazing, loyal, ridiculously smart, and rare friend, and one that I will never let go.
Любимые наши дети, Бритни и Изра, мы от всей души и сердца поздравляем вас с днем вашей свадьбы. Вы сегодня стали мужем и женой. Дай Бог вам счастья, большой любви, чтобы улыбка всегда была на ваших лицах.
Долгих лет вам жизни до глубокой старости. Изра всегда добивался победы. И он на сегодняшний час, он опять добился своего и добился победы. Дай Бог, чтобы в вашей жизни только была победа. Будьте здоровы.